Hello and welcome to the screencast of the Attend system in the course TDDD27 at Linköpings University. Your narrator is Daniel Josefsson, and the second one in this group is Jens Moser. Yes, what you see here is the welcoming screen of the Attend ticket system. This system is a event system that handles your ticket salesman for small and medium-sized events. On the screen here you can see the events that is already put into the system by several users, and as you also can see, we have a translating system, so we can translate between Swedish and English, as you can see here, and back and forth. We can also we also have some nice looking juries, so the organizer for the event can put them in their advertisement, so the buyers will find the URL easy, like event Halloween, for example, and they get some information about the event. So let's get back. We can also go into an event like this, and we have another URL for the same. So if you want to create an event, you tap the sign in button, and you will be redirected to the login page with some messages. As you can see here, we have a SSO CAS login system. This can be expanded, so you can have like OpenID and other login systems as well. But we will use the SSO CAS single sign-on system for this screencast. So we put sign in, and we'll be redirected to Linköping University's central authentication service. So I'll put in my credentials here and tap login, and I'm back to our system. As you can see here, this is the authentication with the authentication system. It's a ticket and some transferring between back and forth. These two systems are done in the background, and here you can put in a user agreement message and stuff like that if you want to put this to a real cool service. So, alright, I approve this kind of small user agreement message for now. And I'm back in the start. But I have a new menu item up here, so I can create events. So let's create an event. For example, beat 2014. That's the next beat coming up in Norrköping. So it will be out on Himmelsalund, Norrköping. And the event will start probably in May 2014, probably Thursday the 15th at 1600 hours, and we'll end at almost the same May Saturday at 13 maybe. So like this, and the organizer can put in some information here, info blah 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 blah. The organizer can also create different tickets, so different kind of users. Maybe for this one it's a multi-day event, so they maybe will have like Thursday ticket, Friday ticket, Saturday ticket, or maybe the whole weekend ticket. But let's try to add some. As you can see here, this is done by JavaScript, so we can add different ticket types and fill in their information, and if we leave it empty, then the ticket will not be registered in the system. So let's remove some and add some information as well. Maybe Thursday ticket. It's probably 500 tickets, and it costs 200 Swedish crowns. And we can add a new ticket, and we'll say weekend. And if we add a new one, it will not care so much about that. and if we can add an empty one before we save as well, like that. And you can also choose to have this event public or private. Since this is a public event, I'll have it like that. So I'll press save event, and as you can see, the beat 2014 is created. And by that we also got a new menu item, like my events. So if I have more events, I can browse through them and edit them and delete them, or publish and unpublish them. As you can see here, this is only a draft yet, so I have to publish it to so it will be shown on the first side. As you can see here, there's no beat 2014 here. So I'll head back here and publish it. Now it's live. So I can see on the start page that it is. Yeah, here it is. So when I'm sitting there, and yeah, I'll have to sell some tickets for my event as well. So we'll go inside here, and if you're a event creator, you get this menu up on the left. So I can sell some tickets here. Since we have mainly done this for the Linköpings University, so mainly you're selling tickets to LiU students, so they can put in their LiU ID here, and we will make a call against the Cobra system that is developed by the student unions, so we can get some extra information, so we don't have to type in everything here. So it is good. We can sell a ticket here to Jens, perhaps, without a LiU ID, and then we have to put in his credentials, and we can sell him a Friday ticket. And he paid with cash up front, so I can sell it like this. And I'm back here, so I can sell more tickets in this Swift system. Now Jens also got an email with a confirmation that he bought a ticket and what he paid and such, like that. I'll show you when I sell myself a ticket, like this. And as you see, it looked through the database of the Cobra system and got some information back by JSON. So this field was filled. I'll sell myself a weekend ticket, and I'll pay with cash as well. So I register this ticket, and like that. And now perhaps I have a mail. Yes. Oh, there's a new one, the payment confirmation. And as you can see here, I have a weekend ticket, and I paid 350 crowns. Greetings by us, blah blah blah. So, and if you have a lot of attendees, it's good to keep track of them. So you can go over here, and you can see that as now we have two attendees to this Beat 2014 event. And you have some information here, and this can easily be expanded with like telephone number and shirt sizes and stuff like that, allergies if you want to. But this is about all we have for now. And of course, I can show you this as well. Since we create a new event, I can also type in this URI to reach it. 14 it is. And here we have the information that we set up in the event, and also in Swedish. So that's about it, folks. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.